Make your lips look bigger. Step 1. Preparation. Exfoliating your lips removes dead skin cells and helps to prevent dryness and chapping. It also stimulates circulation in your lips, thus making them look more voluminous. Step 2. Care. Applying lip balm is the ideal way to prepare your lips for their makeup transformation. It immediately treats your lips to an intensive moisturizing boost, which is particularly important for ensuring that your lipstick stays put on dry, chapped, and rough lips. Step 3. Contour. For luscious lips, now use your lip liner to precisely trace the natural contour of your lips. The impact of a well-defined lip contour should not be underestimated, and what's more, the lip liner will also prevent your lipstick from bleeding into your lip lines.